Welcome to Swallow This by TC Mahone Quick Bites. I'm Mr. Mann. Today we're going to be making two things, a pan seared salmon and a halibut piccata. Stick around for part one, pan seared salmon, and come back for part two, halibut piccata. Let's get to cooking. Let's start with the succotash since it takes the longest to make. Saute onions until translucent. Salt and pepper as always to taste. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Boil potatoes until fork tender. Oil, salt, and smash with your hand. Heat your pan and put potatoes in to brown potatoes. Just looking to get a little color. Flip and brown other side. I did a quick blanch of the collard greens before cutting. Now for the salmon. Using olive oil, get your pan smoky hot. This is my preference, but I normally give the flesh side a quick sear before turning it over to the skin side to actually do the cooking. I season the salmon with salt, pepper, and Creole seasoning. Sear for 4 to 6 minutes per side. There you have it, pan seared salmon with smashed red potatoes and succotash with a lemon aioli.